We gifted ourselves a brand new camera, guys. First of all, drop that emoji of congratulations because it haven't been easy ever since. So guys, you know how new thing they shack for body, my people. I haven't been asked for recipe for now, but ever since I get this camera, I want to film a recipe. I want to see the quality of this camera. I want to see if this camera is going to serve us good or not. So I wanted to try it by all means. So that is why I just like wake up today. I say let me shoot this tomato sauce for us to see the quality of this camera. Trust me guys, this just did a great job. So my people, I couldn't believe that this can be possible, but what God cannot do doesn't exist. So that is just it. This is just a new brand camera we are using to shoot this recipe. Me seeing myself making as in seeing my recipe, as in cooking food, seeing the outcome, guys, I was so grateful because the one that I'm using before, it was so totally not good anymore. But this one, guys, it was just so the best. Just cooking, you know what you are putting in the pot, people can see it from far. That is just my dream ever since. So guys, we gifted ourselves a brand new camera. I'm so grateful that this come true. Help me with congratulations emoji because we really deserve it. Those of you watching us, sharing our video, we appreciate you guys so much. For more recipe, we got us new camera because we are here for you guys. So that is just so amazing. Let me know if this camera did a great job, and if you are enjoying whatever thing we are showing you now, let me know in the comment section. Just take a good look at that. Now the sauce is ready. I'll be adding some beef. So this is the beef I'll be using. You know that I did not just banking for recipe for now, but I wanted to check this camera quality. I wanted to see what this camera can do for me, guys, because I was like all over this camera. I want to shoot, I want to see what this can give me. Trust me, it never make me like look, or what is this. I just love every bit of this camera. I love seeing my recipe like this. I love whatever the outcome of this camera is so amazing to me, guys. I'm so grateful. Let me know how you see this video. Let me know if this is clear and this is okay for us to go. This is just for me. I love it a lot. So guys, there is one thing I noticed about this camera, and if you are a camera user, you know more about camera. Let me know the benefits and the original meaning of 4K. So this camera comes with 4K, and I've been seeing post carry 4K recently, so I think that is new upgrade, and I'm happy that this my camera come with 4K, guys. So let me know more about this 4K, and I want to know in the comment section. So thank you guys for watching. I need your emoji of congratulations down there below. So this is what I have for you guys today. Look at this sauce, guys. Just take a good look at this sauce. Now I can see what I'm cooking. I can see my food clean and sound. Oh God, who say better thing not good, make it hit head for war. Better thing good, guys. No only money night they kill, but God will still give us this money so that we go dey okay last. I love you guys. I love your support, and I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching. Please help me to share. I need your share this time around though. Yes, I need your share. Just take a good look at that. The food was so delicious. The sauce, it was just the best. Chai, guys, look at that. Look at that now. Good day here. Thank you guys for watching. Help me to share. I love you guys. Bye bye.